So question 39 says that a student is using a convex lens of focal length 18 cm to study the image formation by it for the various positions of the object. He observes that when he places the object at 27 cm, the location of the image is 54 cm on the other side of the lens. Identify from the following diagram the three rays that are obeying the laws of refraction and may be used to draw the corresponding ray diagram. Okay, so question is quite simple. So here we have given a ray diagram of convex lens. Okay, so here we have to identify the correct three rays which are obeying the laws of refraction. Okay, so let's first discuss some of the rules of refraction. So one law of refraction is that whenever a ray parallel to the principal axis after passing through the convex lens, then it will pass through the focus. Okay, second law we have is any ray, any incoming ray passing from the optical center of the convex lens will not deviate through its paths through its path, and it will go straight. And then our third rule is that any ray passing from the principal focus after refraction or after passing through the convex lens will get passed through the principal focus. So these are three laws of refraction. Okay, so now let's identify here which ray is following the rule. So we can see here ray 2, this one, it is parallel to the principal axis, and then after refraction it is passing through the principal focus. Okay, so this is correct ray. This ray is obeying the law of refraction. Then we can observe ray 3, this one, it is passing through the optical center of the convex lens and is not facing any deviation after passing through that point. It is going just straight. Okay, so it is also obeying our rule of refraction. Then we are left with the third ray, and okay, so ray 4, this one, this ray is initially passing through the principal focus, and then after refraction from the convex lens it is going parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis, this is the principal axis, and this is the parallel ray. Okay, so these are the three rays among all five which are obeying the laws of refraction. So let's verify it from the solution also. Yes, D is the solution. That is ray 2, 3 and 4 are obeying the laws of refraction. These are the reasons that I have already explained. That ray 2 is parallel to the principal axis and passes through the principal focus after the refraction. Okay, let me highlight it for you. Okay, let me choose another color. Then ray 3 passes from the optical center of the lens and emerges without any deviation. Okay, then third, ray 4 is passing through the principal focus and after refraction from a convex lens emerges parallel to the principal axis. Okay. And ray 1 and ray 5 cannot pass through the focus after refraction as they are not parallel to the principal axis. Thank you.